I'm going to venture out and get my shopping. It's absolutely pouring down, hence the coat. I've got no choice today. So I've got jeans, crouch down, I've got some trainers on, my jeans, little top, and I've got my coat on, so that's it. Just going down to a market town called Sudbury to get some food from Aldi's. I might nip up to Tesco's to get some shopping there because I need some biscuits for the dogs. So I'm going to sign out now, go and do my shopping, and I shall speak to you when I get back. Okay, bye bye for now.